Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on Incognito Mode on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on Incognito Mode on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon of your account over here. At the top right, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the incognito mode option available for us over here. Just above your profile, tap on turn on incognito mode, and then the Google Maps will restart, enabling the incognito mode on your Google Maps on your phone. And you can see, guys, it says incognito mode is turned on. While on, save your it won't save your browse or search history in your account, send notification, and you can see all of these options over here. That being said, guys, during the incognito mode, none of your locations and your search history on Google Maps will be saved out. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on incognito mode on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.